Today we're going to embark on an unforgettable journey to enhance your primary relationship in this must-watch video. Ever wondered what the secret ingredients are to a thriving, meaningful partnership, one that resonates with love, trust, respect, and joy? How about a relationship that's not just about romance, but also intellectual compatibility and even successful co-parenting? In a world where we chase wealth and success, few realize the true wealth lies in nurturing these rich bonds. It's this primary relationship that forms the core of a truly wealthy lifestyle, offering an unmatched richness that money can't buy. This video holds the key to unlocking the secrets of this profound bond. It's time to delve deep into the nuances of building and maintaining a primary relationship with your life partner, husband, or wife that serves as the foundation for a life filled with true wealth and joy. So hit the play button, subscribe to our channel, and step into a journey that could change your life and relationships forever. I'd love for you to visualize the couples that you know who have an idyllic relationship. What is it that stands out to you about these people and their relationships? Let's talk about the qualities shared by almost all successful long-term marital or partner relationships. Loving your spouse or partner goes way beyond mere feelings of affection and romantic attraction, although it certainly starts there. It's also a deep and enduring commitment, a choice to care for, respect, and value them throughout your shared life. Here are some key aspects that often define what it means to truly love your spouse. Number 1, I think, is respect and equality. You see your spouse as an equal and treat them with the dignity they deserve. You appreciate their individuality and respect their boundaries, opinions, and choices, even when they differ from yours. It also includes understanding and patience. When you really love somebody, you strive to understand their perspectives, feelings, and reactions. You're patient with them, giving them room to grow and change, just as you do. You empathize with your spouse, sharing in their joy and pain. Your love for them fosters a deep compassion, making you sensitive to their needs and willing to support them in times of difficulty. You remain loyal and committed to your spouse, even through ups and downs. This commitment isn't just about fidelity, it also means choosing your spouse every day, prioritizing your relationship with them, and collaborating on issues together. You trust your spouse and earn their trust in return. Honesty is key to this aspect of love. You communicate openly about your thoughts, feelings, and concerns. You also enjoy each other's company and share a strong friendship, often marked by shared humor, interests, and mutual respect. This doesn't mean you have to share every interest, but rather that you appreciate and enjoy your time together. Physical affection and intimacy are part of the way you express love to your spouse. This includes everything from holding hands to sexual intimacy, all of which foster a deep emotional connection. Keep the spark alive by regularly expressing your love and affection. This could be through words, actions, or gestures that your partner appreciates. Regularly surprise them with something they love. Plan date nights or express your feelings through letters, texts, or just simple words of affirmation. Shared joy is an important part of any meaningful relationship. Experiencing joy together is about creating happy memories together. Seek to find activities you both enjoy and make time for them. Celebrate each other's achievements and create a positive, joyful environment in your relationship. Having a sense of humor and not taking life too seriously can also contribute to shared joy. To achieve respect in a relationship, you need to recognize and value your partner's individuality and their rights as a person. Acknowledge their feelings and opinions, even when you disagree. Avoid belittling or dismissing your partner's thoughts or feelings. Be kind and considerate, and remember that respect must be mutual. Every successful partnership is based on mutual cooperation, shared decision-making, and equal contribution. Make decisions together, respect each other's input, and balance responsibilities fairly. Understand and support each other's goals, and work as a team to achieve them. Intellectual compatibility is achieved when both partners appreciate each other's intellect and can engage in meaningful conversations. You don't have to agree on everything, but respect for each other's viewpoints is crucial. Encourage intellectual growth by reading, learning, or exploring new ideas together. If you have or plan to have children, you will need to learn that effective co-parenting is about putting your child's needs first. Work together with your spouse to set consistent rules for your children. Maintain open communication about your child's well-being and be respectful of each other's roles. Remember, you're a team working for your child's best interest. And finally, you need to support your spouse in their endeavors, both personal and professional, and they need to reciprocate. You celebrate their achievements and encourage them in their aspirations, while also being there to offer comfort in times of disappointment or stress. A nurturing relationship is one in which both partners support and care for each other. Be there for each other in times of need, provide emotional support, and foster each other's personal growth. Show appreciation, give compliments, and make each other feel loved and valued. Remember, these characteristics don't happen overnight. They require conscious effort, time, and a lot of patience. But the end result, a deep, meaningful, and fulfilling relationship, is certainly worth the effort. Remember, love is a dynamic journey, not a destination. It requires continuous effort, communication, and mutual growth. It may not always be easy, but the deep bond it fosters is profoundly rewarding and worth your every effort, and whatever efforts you invest in your relationship will be recognized and valued by your spouse. A meaningful, loving, nurturing, and rewarding relationship is like a beautiful, intricate tapestry. Each thread represents one of these vital elements: love, trust, respect, partnership, intellectual compatibility, romance, co-parenting, and joy. They're all interconnected, and each one is crucial to the overall strength and beauty of a relationship worth sacrificing for. In the weave of a relationship, these elements intertwine and overlap, enriching and supporting one another. Love, for instance, forms the foundational fabric, but it gains depth and resilience through the reinforcement of trust and respect. These elements, in turn, promote a healthy partnership, allowing both individuals to work together and support each other effectively. The harmony that emerges from intellectual compatibility enhances the richness of this partnership, making communication more effective and stimulating. It's a thread that subtly enhances the others, adding a unique hue to the overall design. Romance, then, adds a vivid splash of color to the tapestry, injecting passion and vibrancy into the daily life of the relationship. For those who choose parenthood, the threads of co-parenting are woven in, bringing a new level of complexity and unity to the design. This element demands and nurtures growth in all the other threads. It requires love, trust, respect, partnership, and more to work effectively. Then there's joy, the glimmering thread that runs through the entire tapestry. It shines brighter at some points, softly glows at others, but it's always there, adding a gentle warmth and positive energy. Joy ensures that the relationship remains rewarding and fulfilling, providing the nourishment it needs to thrive. In this way, all these elements are interconnected, each one contributing to the health and beauty of the relationship. Each plays its part, and each is essential. Remove one, and the tapestry loses some of its strength and charm. When woven together, however, they create a relationship that is truly meaningful, loving, nurturing, and rewarding. A meaningful, loving relationship stands at the heart of a truly wealthy lifestyle. It provides a depth of richness that material possessions alone can't offer. The joy we derive from sharing our successes, our thoughts, our time, and indeed our lives with someone we deeply care for, imbues our endeavors with a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment. Without this emotional bond, even the most grandiose achievements can feel empty, because real wealth isn't measured just in the abundance of possessions, but in the quality of the bonds we form, the love we give, and the love we receive. Therefore, a thriving, nurturing relationship is more than just a component. It's a cornerstone of a truly wealthy, fulfilling lifestyle. In today's world, we face an insidious epidemic of loneliness, a stark paradox given our unprecedented connectedness through technology. This loneliness seeps into the corners of our lives, shadowing both those who navigate life solo, having resigned themselves to solitude, and those in relationships that lack the depth and fulfillment they yearn for. Now more than ever, we must rise against this tide. If you're single and have lost faith in shared companionship, remember that it's never too late to embrace love and togetherness. If you're in a relationship that feels hollow or lacking, understand that every bond has the potential for growth and improvement. Let's commit today to build relationships that encompass love, trust, respect, partnership, intellectual compatibility, romance, joy, and even co-parenting. Emphasizing these elements can illuminate the path to meaningful connections, revitalizing our shared lives and combating the specter of loneliness. Together, let's strive for relationships that don't just exist, but thrive, enriching our lives with true wealth, meaning, and fulfillment. Before you go, remember that building a rich and meaningful life is a journey, and we're here to guide and support you every step of the way. If you found value in this video and believe it could benefit others, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends, family, and loved ones. For more insights, tips, and advice on creating fulfilling relationships and a truly wealthy lifestyle, ensure you subscribe to our channel. Let's embark on this journey together toward a life filled with love, joy, and true wealth. Join us and let's create a world where every relationship thrives.